A whole lot has changed when it has to do with Amazon KDP, when it has to do with self-publishing and making money in dollars generally at the comfort of your home. So in this video, guys, I'll be showing you how to create and verify your Amazon KDP account. How to create and verify your Amazon KDP account. So if this sounds interesting to you, I am urging you to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because this is your end point. Believe me, with this video you'll be able to create your account from the very beginning. So whether you are a beginner, you have a little knowledge about Amazon KDP, do not worry. So what I'm going to do for you at this point is this: I am creating a new account. Like a new account. I'm creating a new account now. All I want you to do is for you to come with me to my screen recorder where you watch me create a new account, verify the account. Is the more reason you need to subscribe, is the more reason you need to leave a comment. In case you have questions or video requests, do well to leave it in the comments. Leave it in the comments and I'll be glad making a video explaining whatever thing you want to know to your understanding. So come over with me to my screen recorder where we create this account, verify it and start publishing. Come with me, please. At this point, here is what you should do. Go to any browser of your choice. Type amazon.com. So once you type amazon.com, it will bring you to this interface where you see sign in and create an account. So because you do not have an account with Amazon before, you don't have to sign in. All you have to do is for you to click on create Amazon account. So you're creating an account, you are not signing in. So once you click that, it will bring you to this interface, create an account. So all you have to do is for you to put your name, your first name and your last name. So you see this place of mobile number or email. Please ensure that you're putting your email and not your phone number. Your email and not your phone number. So here for your password, ensure you use a password you can remember. After that, all you have to do is for you to verify your mail. Remember that you are using a password that you can remember. I know why I am saying this over and over again, because something happened. So once you click on that, once you click on verify email, it will bring you to this interface. Do not panic. All you have to do is for you to solve the puzzle. It is not difficult. So sometimes it might tell you to choose port, it might tell you to choose cap, it might tell you to choose bags, anything. So all you have to do is for you to just be attentive to whatever instruction it is saying. So once you are done with that, it will now bring you to this interface where it will say you should verify your email. Now, that's why I'm always telling people, ensure you put an email that you have access to. So now what I'm doing at this point is I am going to my email so I can copy the code that was sent to my email. So this is my mail. I am going to log in now. So here is it. Amazon has already sent this to me. So I've copied the code now. I am going back to this interface where we are creating accounts. So I've fixed the code. I've clicked on verify. So this is the interface, guys. This is what it is showing me at this time. So this is what we are going to do. It is telling me to add a phone number. See, if you add a phone number, you will not proceed. You understand? So you leave that place, you come to your Play Store or you go to your App Store. Once you go to Play Store or App Store, this is what you should be looking for. You look for Amazon Shopping app. Amazon Shopping app. This is what the app looks like. This is what it looks like, guys. So this is the app you are supposed to download. Listen to me, I know what I'm saying. If you put your phone number where it asks for phone number, you will not proceed. I'm the one telling you, like you'll be there for 10-20 years. Amazon will not send a code to you. So this is what this app looks like. Go and look for it on Play Store, Amazon Shopping app. Once you look for it, all you have to do is this: you have to create an account with this Amazon Shopping app. One thing about Amazon Shopping app is this: if you try screen recording when you're creating an account with this on it, rather, it will show blank. You understand? So you download it. Once it is done downloading, you click on open. Once it opens, it is going to bring out this interface. You allow it, you give the permission, you allow it will bring out this interface where you see country, region, language and all of that. Please, you have to ignore. You really have to ignore. Can you see that X sign there? You have to cancel it from there so that you can proceed. You understand? So now it has brought us to this interface. This is what you are to do. This is what you are to do. You are to create an account here. You are creating an account here. So like I rightly stated, one thing about this Amazon shopping app is this: when trying to create an account with them, if you screen record it, all of a sudden everything will show blank. You understand? So it is very easy for you to create an account. So all you have to do is for you to click on the middle option. You understand? Create a new account. So once you click on the middle option, then you create an account. Remember to create an account with details that you remember. You understand? So once you're done creating an account, this is the interface you are going to see. This is the Amazon shopping app. So guys, this is it. Like, this shopping app is mainly for people who wants to buy. You understand? So now we are done with one thing. Other things are still remaining. At this point, we have to delete this app. You understand? I know you will not believe me. Okay, come with me to any browser of your choice. Just type amazon.com. Once you type amazon.com, you'll see that automatically it will take you to Amazon shopping app. Did you see that? It has taken me to Amazon shopping app. So at this point, all you have to do, in order for you to get what you want, you have to delete the Amazon shopping app at this point. You understand? You have to delete it at this point so that you can have access to Amazon KDP and so that you can have access to Amazon.com. Do not forget that Amazon.com is the mother. You understand? Amazon.com is the mother. So now that we have an account with we tried opening an account with Amazon.com, but it told us to put our phone number for verification and all of that. You understand? So we had to go and open an account with Amazon shopping app so we can use that detail to sign up KDP and this other one. So after deleting Amazon shopping app, if you go to any browser of your choice, then you type amazon.com. This is the interface you are going to see. Guys, this is where the magic happens, and I really want to show you something here, because one thing about Amazon KDP is this. You have to focus the first world countries. You understand? Your focus must be on the first world countries. So once you come to amazon.com, you have to sign in. Remember, at this point, initially we tried creating an account with amazon.com, but it was asking for phone number. So all we have to do at this point is for us to sign in. So you're signing in with the details that you used in creating an account with Amazon shopping app. You understand? So the details you use in creating an account with Amazon shopping app is what you're using to log in amazon.com. It's still what you are going to use when we get there. I'll still show you what you're going to do. So here is it. We've logged in now. Like I rightly stated, when you come here, our major target is the first world countries. So that's why if you check here, you see that if you order anything on Amazon, it will show delivered to Nigeria. You can see here now. Okay, here you can see my name. That's because you can see my name there, and here you can see delivered to Nigeria. We do not want delivered to Nigeria. You understand? So all you have to do at this point, we are going to change all of this. Can you see this all? Can you see this place? So you click on it. Ensure that whatever you're doing, it is in all departments, because we'll be using amazon.com to make our findings, to look for things online. You understand? So ensure that this particular one, you ensure that it is in all. Can you see this delivered to Nigeria? No, please. If you want to make your source, we are not dealing with Nigerians here. So you click on it. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this space. Can you see this particular space here? We are going to change our location to the UK. we are changing our location to New York. So you just dial 10005. Once you put 10005, you click on it. Then you now see that my location has automatically changed to New York. You understand? My location has automatically changed to New York. If you do not change your location to New York, like, you're not going to get the best out of this. You understand? So if you want to target Nigerians do not read. So you'll be on this platform for a very long time without even making a dime. You understand? So at this point, I am back on my browser. What I will do is this: you will type amazonkdp.com. Once you type amazonkdp.com, this is the interface you see. You see Kindle Direct Publishing. Kindle Direct Publishing. So once you click on that, it will bring you to this interface. Guys, you're not supposed to create an account with Amazon KDP at this moment. All you have to do is for you to click on join. You understand? You're not creating an account. You already created an account with Amazon Shopping app. So that details that you use in creating an account with Amazon Shopping app is what you'll be using for this Amazon KDP. You understand? So at this point, instead of you to create an account, all you have to do is for you to click on sign in. You understand? So leave all this create. You are not creating anything at this point. Just click on sign in. So once you click on sign in, you have to accept. This is the terms and condition. You have to accept it. So once you click on agree, immediately you click on agree, it will bring you to this interface. This is the interface that you will start publishing. But before we start publishing, we have some updates to do on this account. You understand? So we can't just start publishing like this. We can't start publishing like this because we want the best. We want people in the UK, in the US, in the first world countries, most especially Canada. We want countries. Amazon operates in 13 countries. We want people in those 13 countries and beyond to see us. So it's the more reason we are going to update these accounts and verify these accounts. So I can say that this video is above 12 minutes. Is heading to 30 minutes. I don't want it to be very long. So this is how to create an Amazon KDP account. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your Amazon KDP account. Like this, you've created the account, but it is not ready for publishing. You understand? That was why I told you that you should subscribe to my YouTube channel. You should like my videos. Subscribe so that when you subscribe, you turn on your notification bell so that when I drop next video, you will be the first person to be notified by YouTube. So at this point, let me make another video because this one is actually very long. This is above 12 minutes. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now. If you have a video request, please do well to leave it in the comments. Bye.